Welcome everyone to Balance by Meghan. I'm Meghan. Today we are doing tension relief exercises that you can do in the comfort of your home. So these exercises are great for releasing tension from the body, for calming down the mind, and for focusing on your breath. For yoga videos that you can do in the comfort of your home, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to be notified when I post a free video every Wednesday. Grab your mat and let's create balance in your life.
Welcome everyone. Let's begin today's practice in a nice, comfortable, seated position. Close down the eyes and drop your left ear to left shoulder. Right ear reaches up towards the sky. You can stay here, or you can extend your right arm out and use your left hand to guide the ear closer towards your shoulder. And release. Drop right ear to right shoulder. Play with the subtle tilt and tuck of the chin here until you find a stretch that works for you. You can extend that arm as well if that feels good. And we'll release that, come through to center. Tuck your chin in towards your chest. Feel a nice stretch in the back of your neck. We'll come back up. Draw a line with your nose up towards your sky and back down towards your chest. Inhale, draw it up. Exhale, draw it back down towards the chest. Keep moving here. We'll come through to center and take some shoulder shrugs. Inhale, shoulders up towards the ears. Exhale, roll them back and down. Inhale, shrug them up. Exhale, back and down. Inhale. Exhale. Keep going. And from here, we'll come forward into tabletop pose. Knees underneath wrist, wrist underneath shoulders, and flip your left wrist in towards center, fingers facing out. Rock a little here from side to side, and then flip your fingers around to face in, wrist out, rock side to side. And take the top of the hand, press it down and towards the mat. Press down, rock front to back. And we'll release, move on to the other side. So if you work at a computer all day, you might feel some tension in the forearms. And this is a great way to counteract all that. Top of the hand presses down, press away from the yoga mat, rock front and back here. And then come back through to table, drop the belly, come into your cow pose. Exhale, arch the back for cat. Inhale, drop the belly, shine the heart forward. Exhale, Chin tucks into chest for cat. Inhale. Exhale. Keep moving. Come back through to neutral table, and then turn to gaze past your left shoulder, hips bump to the right. Inhale to center. Exhale, hips bump to the left. Turn to gaze past your right foot. Inhale through to center. Exhale, bring the big toes to touch, knees go nice and wide for extended child's pose. You can stay with your fingers on the mat or bring your hands up and over for Namaste shark fin. Take deep, buoyant breaths here. Release the hands down. Come onto the fingertips here. And release. From here, we bring ourselves back up. Walk the knees underneath the hips. Curl the toes underneath. Step back. Lift the hips up high. Downward facing dog. Pedal it out here. Press down through the hands. Find some movement. And then we'll find a few breaths here in stillness. Lifting the hips up high, heels reach towards the mat. Knees touch the mat here. Swing the legs to one side and come to have a seat. Send the legs out long in front of you. Hands come on either side of the hips. Flex the tops of the feet towards you. Dandasana or staff pose. Take a few breaths here. And then bend the knees slightly. Inhale, reach the arms up. As you exhale, fold from the hips and find a seated forward fold. I like to keep a slight bend in my knees here to bring some lower back relief. Be kind to yourself in this forward fold. Inhale, look towards the feet. Exhale, roll up to a straight spine. Bring the hands slightly behind you and take your left ankle over your right knee. Keep your leg out long here or bend the foot on the mat and come into a seated figure four. Release that. Keep your left leg where it is. Inhale, reach up, and exhale, fold forward. Find a release here. Inhale, look towards your toes, and exhale, roll up. Uncross, send the legs out long. And then take your right ankle over left knee. Staying here, or we bend the knee, left foot comes to the mat, and we find a seated figure four. So drawing your ankle towards your bum creates more of a stretch in the hips. Find what feels good to you here in this pose. Send the leg out long. Inhale, reach up. And as you exhale, find your fold. Inhale, looking forward. As you exhale, uncross. And we'll roll down to our backs from here. Draw the knees in towards your chest. Give yourself a little hug. At this point, you can find a wall for this section, or simply just straighten your legs up towards the sky. We find legs up the wall. This is a great pose for stress relief, for blood circulation, and for calming down the mind. You can stay as you are here, or we'll bend the knees into chest and send the legs out long, palms up for receiving, and come into our Shavasana. Great job, everyone. Stay here as long as time will allow. Otherwise, we bring awareness back to the body, to the breath. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. We are a kinder human being and kinder world when we share these with others. Comment down below and let me know your tips and tricks for combating stress. And don't forget to download my free August playlist below to stay on track with your daily practice. From here, we'll bring the hands together, thumbs up to the third eye. May we always think the truth. Drop the thumbs to the lips. May we always speak the truth. And thumbs down to the heart. May we always feel the truth. I will see you next week, yogis. Namaste.